tear me over. I love when I'm bad.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fee, and today I'm back with another video, but it's a little bit different today. But before we get into the video, let me introduce my friends. So today I have my friend with me. Her name is
Shanae,
or we call her Ashley. That's the name that we all call her. And this is my friend
Kim.
No, this is Pine. We all know her as Pine. So they're my classmate from university, and today we're going to talk about dating Jamaican men. All right, so disclaimer: every man cheats. So if you're here just to hear that Jamaican men cheat, keep going, because we won't be talking about that today, because everybody know that Jamaican men cheat, just like American, Africans, and all the other men. So let's talk about some good attributes about dating Jamaican men. Are you ready, ladies?
She's a Minerva!
I guess.
Yeah. All right. Before we even get into the video, we are all Jamaicans, so we can talk about dating Jamaican men because we have dated Jamaican men before.
True.
And we think this is a really good topic to talk about. Most videos here on YouTube, they talk about the bad things about dating Jamaican men, but nobody ever really talk about the good things that they actually do. So today we're gonna focus more on the good things that Jamaican men do. So start, Ashley.
As I was saying, dating Jamaican men, it can be an experience. Jamaican men can be very caring and thoughtful. They tend to think about you a lot. They tend to check on you a lot, and Jamaican men love hard, especially when they're in love.
All right, let's focus on caring. What do you mean when you said they're caring?
I mean, basically, if you're ill, they'll take care of you. If you're having a bad day, they'll find stuff for you to do to make your day better, stuff like that. And just being thoughtful in the sense that they might call you one day and say, hey, are you doing okay? I'm just thinking about you, or something, or have something special planned for you when you get home from work, stuff like that. So I've had that experience before where someone thought about me like that. So that's my experience in terms of being with a caring Jamaican man.
Yes, that's so true. I've had my experience too. And to talk about being caring, like, if they love you, they will put you first.
True.
Trust me. I mean, they will have the side girlfriend. We're not talking about the cheating today, you know. We're focusing on the good things that they do. So they have the side girlfriend, but you being their personal girlfriend, even the side girlfriend, they will do that too. Like, they will really care for you. If they mean that you're for them, they're gonna do it for you.
Definitely.
What about you, Pine? What are some good things you can say about Jamaican?
Yes, about my Jamaican men. Oh my god, where do I start? They love really hard, like really, really hard.
Oh yeah.
If you're in a relationship with a Jamaican guy and they love you, them love you honestly. They're oh god. Don't mind me. When it comes on to my Jamaican men, I get goosebumps.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yes, they love
Shivers.
hard. They're always there for you. They care for you, as Ashley said.
And talking of, you said they love you. They love hard.
They love really hard.
Yeah, they do.
And they're jealous.
Very,
very jealous.
If they're in love with you, and even if you're walking and a guy just called to you, oh my god, your phone's gonna blow up. It's gonna blow up. Who is that guy calling to you?
And
They don't want you to wear certain type of clothes. Nope. They don't want you to expose their body.
yes,
Because our body, they said it's their body.
Yeah.
That's true.
their body.
Their body.
Their body.
I
Believe
mean,
it or not.
yeah, but I mean, in some relationships though, some guys like for their females to feel empowered.
Yes.
They like them to dress up, they want them to look good, they want to say, You know, I'm a girl I go up on the road, I'm a girl look good, and I have to make sure say yeah.
Because some men like when other men give compliments to their woman.
Right.
So yes, and talking about loving, you have to first go in their family background. What kind of family are they from? Because if they're from a home where it's a broken home, obviously they're gonna treat you like that. But if they get love from even one parent, like probably their mother, let's use the mother because we have a lot of single parents in Jamaica, and say their mother love them, I treat them the right way, you know, treat them how to grow them in a way that they should treat a woman, you know.
Right.
They're gonna love you like that. Believe it or not, even though they have their bad ways, they're gonna love you like how they're supposed to, or like how you're supposed to be loved.
Right.
You know?
And if you find one that can cook, you hit the nail. Oh my God, a Jamaican man that can cook and love to cook and clean.
Amen, sister.
Cleaning.
That's the
Okay,
one.
let's talk about cleaning. So if you're gonna date a Jamaican man, please, if cleaning is not your thing, try make it your thing.
Right.
They don't want to come home to a dirty house.
No.
They will not clean, but they want you to do it. Like, if they come home and the house is dirty, it's gonna be an argument. Promise you that. If you want for them to stay out on the road, make their house a dirty place.
That's true.
They want to make sure that they come home to a clean house, food, so you better can cook.
Yep.
And if you can't cook, watch my YouTube channel.
She has all the recipes.
Just tell me what you want me to cook so you can cook it for your man. Okay?
My aunt usually said a way to a Jamaican man's heart is their belly.
Trust me.
True.
Cook any food, give them love you. Even if you are the side piece, if you can cook and the wife can't, they're going to come at your house before they go home.
Believe
for
it
their
or
dinner.
not.
Believe
Right.
it or not.
That's true.
And we are not talking of experience, so don't even think that.
Alright, but in my experience though, I had a previous partner before that didn't allow me to cook. Not that he didn't want me to cook, but he like taking care of me like that. And it was always, alright, what do you want to have this evening? What do you want to drink this evening? And he's like that. Once dinner is finished, he shares my dinner, and I'll probably have to fight with him to wash the dishes because he's just like that.
Oh my God, Ashley, that was an angel. Honestly, I've never met a man like that. Well, I've met men that share house duties, cooking and that, but like Ashley, girl, I have to cook, wash and clean. I was a cookie lily, wash lily, clean lily, every lily I can think of.
I have dated a Jamaican before that our relationship was 50-50. Literally 50-50. Like, if I feel like not washing this week, he will do the washing. If I feel like not cooking this week, he will cook. If I feel like not cleaning, he will clean. Like, that's the relationship we had. So I can say that, you know, Jamaican men will really help if they need to. They will help around. Not all of them, but you will find some that will really help.
do it, right.
So we're not gonna put it out there like all Jamaican men are perfect.
And the other thing
Because
I
they're not.
love about my Jamaican is when it comes down to dressing. Oh my God.
Amen.
Dressing, especially when you go to a party. I'll be just standing in the corner just looking at the guys. They're always well groomed, smell good, look good,
Teeth clean.
Right.
You don't
That's
have to
very
worry.
important to us Jamaican women, like personal hygiene, you know? So that, I mean, I've seen Jamaican men that really don't take care of their
Yes,
personal hygiene, but
right.
for the most part, they do. So,
That's true.
I mean, a clean mouth is important, them cologne up to date,
Yeah, they wear the Dare's cologne,
Yeah.
the Dare
they like to
shoes.
smell.
That
The
is smell
Dare's
good.
clothes.
I like that about Jamaican men.
You
Like,
can go to a party and see a Jamaican man well dressed from head to toe, smell really good, and go to his house, it's like a hog style.
yeah, that's why we say you have to do the cleaning.
Cleaning.
So if you're dating a
True.
Jamaican man, you have to do the cleaning. Probably 1 out of 10 will do the cleaning, will help
Yeah.
you. But the other 9, they want to come home to a clean house.
True, and sometimes the men that are extremely clean, I believe, tend to have a little OCD in them that they just can't help it.
If you go to their house and move something, put it back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's true.
When it comes search up my house today,
Yeah.
we search up my house for like.
I mean, even one thing could be out of place, and it's a search.
Jamaican men attitude, it kind of off. Sometimes I have to wonder if their head good. Sometimes it go and sometimes it come back. Sometimes this minute they're good 100% with you, and then the next minute, like 20 minutes later, they have an attitude for what reason you don't know.
We know for what reason.
Yeah.
You're not giving the problem, but
Right.
the next girl is giving the problem. But we're not talking about the cheating today, okay?
Or we might be the ones giving
The
the
problem.
problem.
The problem we do give.
I
Problem.
mean, like, let's be frank though. Like, us as women, like, sometimes we're so miserable.
We do. We are.
You know,
Yeah.
we make some small little things be a big problem, and then we're pushing them, and they're going out there to be with their friends all day,
time,
and then we're complaining because we're the one pushing them away. To
Yep.
be honest, so
And they like to be with women that motivates them to do more, to go harder, everything.
True.
They like that about their woman. And one thing we know about a Jamaican man, they always say one hand cannot clap. So they want a woman that can help themselves as well as help him.
yeah, that's right.
Yes.
And it's not
And
that he's looking
to
for
get-
a handout,
Yes.
but they want to. If you want to grow, they want to grow together.
And
That's
if they
just that.
do pick up someone that really don't have anything, they try to build that person and work with them.
That's true.
Yes, and the next point, as we're on that one, I always hear people say Jamaican men are mean. Where?
Fire. Hit quick. Shook him out.
Some.
No.
Not
Where?
Not most.
I can't even say some, because if they love you, you're the family, you're the main one, they're gonna take care of their home.
Yep.
They're gonna take care of their home. They're gonna make sure that bills are paid. They're gonna make sure food is in the house. So I'm not gonna say that Jamaican men are mean.
I don't think it's mean. I think that some females want the money in their hand, and they're disregarding the fact that the person might pay the bills, person might put food in the house, person might make sure that the kids have everything that they need, but they just don't get the physical money. Some persons, that's what they classify as being mean. If my partner, being a Jamaican man, take care of the household or whatever, and he says, hey babe, I'm gonna pay for you to do your hair or pay for you to do your nails, that's fine. He doesn't have to give me the money in my hand.
Right.
That's okay.
Yeah, the
with me.
Jamaican man naturally or tradition for them to take care of the house. They are the head of the house. The females would be the one who do the chores, take care of the kids, everything. And when a Jamaican man take care of their child, they do take care of their child.
That's
A lot of females are going around saying, oh, deadbeat father, deadbeat father. Majority of the time, it's not the father's fault. It's the female, the mother. They want more than what the man can offer. And they don't want to help. Sometimes they want everything to be on one side.
That's true.
And to add to that too, you know, but people say that Jamaican men are mean, and you can't give what you don't have.
That's true.
You can't give what you don't have. Most of them really don't have it, so they can't give what they don't have. What you expect him to buy Brazilian hair, buy Bridget's, or you expect him to get you the latest bag or whatever, you know?
And for the persons that don't know what Bridget's are, there's some really expensive sandals in
In
Jamaica.
Jamaica. If you don't have a Bridget,
You're not saying anything.
Right?
but anyway, like, if they can't afford to buy you things, then you're gonna say, oh, Jamaican men are so mean, or come on, miss. If they don't have it, what you want them to do?
But some of the females know what they were going into
Yes.
before they go into it, that he doesn't work, he doesn't do this, blah, 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 he doesn't have it. Then when you get into the relationship and it gets serious, then the problems start come. Oh, you can't afford to buy this. And some of the females tend to want to disgrace the men. A lot of time I've seen it. Disgrace him. Oh, that broke boy, I can't mind me, and so forth.
Yeah.
I mean, that's stuff that I don't condone with.
Me either. I believe you should go there and get your own.
I believe
Right.
it. I'm a very independent.
Independent
Matter of fact, we are independent.
women. Yes.
We are independent women.
Okay.
I don't mind a 50-50 household.
Yeah.
I
Me
don't
too.
mind one day we come in and cook, or one day my partner comes in and cook, or whatever.
And I don't care about splitting the bill in the middle.
Right.
If both of us using everything, right?
Exactly.
I don't care if we split the bill right in the middle. That's good
That's
for me.
fine. Yeah.
Mindset. They're go-getters.
Hustler.
Real hustler.
Yes.
Alright? Then we're carrying the
Listen me. They will get up in the morning and you have completed nothing inside your house to cook or eat, nothing. And remember, once they step through that door, you can put your pot on the stove and give them at least an hour or two. They're coming back with something to put in the pot. They really go hard for their family, even their friends, and that is what I love about my Jamaican men.
Yeah, I love that about Jamaican men. Like, they're not lazy people. You know,
Yeah,
they're
they're
really
always
hard.
going out there to get more. Yes, some of them will, you know, get caught up in the wrongdoing, like, oh, it's just for cars or for shoes or clothes, but the
Or, yeah, or like my grandfather loves to say about them hand wiggle.
you know, we're not talking about the bad thing.
Right.
Well,
But
that.
it's,
But Jamaican men mindset, they're determined, they're go-getters, they're hard workers, they're hustlers. Those words are used to describe Jamaican men. Like, they will legit go out there and just work hard. They will do it. Like, they will do any kind of job. They'll go to America and do any kind of job just to make sure that their family back home is good,
Taken
you
care
know?
of, yeah.
They want to make sure that you have food. They want to make sure that kids that go to school, like, I have to give it to them. Like, they will go above and beyond
Beyond,
for
yes.
their family. Believe
Friends,
it or not.
even
Yes, their
friends.
friends too. What you have to say on that?
They're very determined in the sense of if they want something or even a girl, sorry.
It's coming for you, boo boo.
Even if you turn them down like 20 times, they're not going to stop until they get you.
Jump in.
They're going to get you the 21st time. So they come at you the 20th time, the 21st time, they are going to get you.
Yep.
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 That's just
because
how
at this
Jamaican
point you're
men
saying,
are.
no man,
I'm really
Really
determined.
determined. Yeah, and not in terms of only dating as well, but in terms of working.
Yeah.
Some persons are determined to go above their station and elevate themselves, and they
Yeah.
want to elevate them friends, and they want to elevate them girl or whatever.
Where I am from, there's a backside plant, right? And I remember this guy, he goes to the gates about 2 weeks straight every morning that he has to get a job over there. Until the supervisor just give him a work.
And that's determination.
2 weeks straight.
Determination.
And
He goes to the
persistent.
gate to stand up. Him just go stand up from morning till night. Till him just finally take him on the plant and give him a work. He's very Jamaican man determined over him. I love him bad.
She love her Jamaican men.
Love him bad.
Jamaican men can adapt to any situation. Any situation.
That's true.
Trust me, like, I don't even know what to say, but
They adapt to anything. And when they come overseas to work, sometimes a lot of persons back home think foreign is bed of roses. It is not. Sometimes the men, they don't even get 2 hours sleep. Even 2. They have to be doing 3, 4, 5 jobs just to make that income, to send back home or to take home to pop barrel, send back to Jamaica, everything. That is what I love about them. Even in America right now, a lot of Americans speak about how hard working the Jamaican men are.
That's true.
true.
They talk about the Jamaican man. They
Talk
are
about the 2
hardworking
jobs, the 3 jobs, Jamaican
men.
Let's talk about how romantic.
Yeah, boy.
Romantic.
Yes.
Flowers, that's a Jamaican man. At my doorstep, yes.
Liars.
On the bed,
Liars. Liars. Jamaican men will not do this flowers thing.
Not all. Like some.
Well,
Uptown one them.
1 or 2.
The one that will come from
It's
the
not a
country like
Jamaican.
me.
It's not a Jamaican thing to
Right.
give roses and do all
Right.
those fancy things, but
They will take you out on dates.
A nice date. Like they'll
Very
have
nice
something
date.
planned.
They will do a little surprise, but It's okay.
Alright, for some Jamaican men, their version of romantic is you come home and one day and they might say,
They cook for you. They give you a massage.
right? Or they'll take you to the hair salon, take you to the nail salon, say, alright babes, I'm gonna get your hair done today, get your hair and your nails done today, and then you might go up on the town for a little dinner or something.
Yeah,
like
or then
that.
probably just give you a pile of money.
Yeah.
Go take care of yourself.
Yes.
And Jamaican women love that.
We're okay with that because we're
fine with
accustomed to that.
Yes.
That's our
So-
culture.
We're accustomed to that, so we're okay with that. So if you're not Jamaican and you're expecting roses and you're
And boxes
expecting
of chocolate.
sis, please.
Not
No,
happening.
no.
I mean, chocolate
He'll
maybe.
try. He'll
Probably
try.
Valentine's
He'll
Day.
try.
Yeah, on
He'll
Valentine's
try.
Day they do.
And if he try, give him credit for it because it's not our thing.
I've had that before. Oh yes, let me tell you. Yes, I've had that before. It was Valentine's Day, and oh my God, like
Right, that's what we
it
just.
shocked me. Like when I enter the room, it was chocolate and roses all over the bed with a slideshow with their pictures on it, music
Occasionally.
playing. Honestly, that was the first and last thing for me. But it is still the best thing.
Right, but
I
that's
hold
what
it right here. Like honestly.
Yo,
I
that's
got
what
it.
we
I
said.
got the roses and the chocolate, sis. I got it. And it's from
Yes,
the
I said it will happen, but it's not. And for example, like or love language. Love language for Jamaicans is really not giving you flowers or gifts. No, they want to talk, sis. They want to talk about the situation, or they just want to walk out and just leave it as it is. Some of them just don't even want to think about it anymore. They're like, okay, you know what? Put that behind us. That's a bygone, But some of them really want to talk, and that's Jamaican men love language. They love to communicate.
Sure.
And if they're having an argument, if we're having an argument in the house, they rather to go outside and leave you inside
talking
yourself,
basically.
screaming and everything. When you calm down,
Give them a minute.
they coming back.
Yeah.
And then when you're calm, they will sit you down and explain whatever the matter was
Was,
happening.
right.
That's the Jamaican man.
And wanting to, if they talk about it, don't bring it up later or tomorrow, next week or next
That's
month.
the end of it.
Let it be, sis.
Yeah.
If you want to talk to him, ask him everything right
Right
now.
there.
Right now, when you give it the time, just ask him all you want to ask him.
And
Don't
they will
ask him
come.
later.
They will come clean. They will come clean. One
Not
thing
all
though,
the time.
Not all the time.
never try to disrespect a Jamaican man in crowd. Don't throw any drink on him and don't box him. Don't do
Don't
that.
do that.
I beg you.
Go home.
Go
do
home.
not, because you're going to disgrace yourself.
Right.
And the next thing.
Their temper level is way up here.
Yep.
Mhm.
Don't try it.
Don't try
This
it.
this throw drinks and
Don't-
throw drinks and who?
Don't do that.
Throw drinks and who?
Don't.
Don't do that.
You can smash your phone in the wall.
Yeah.
They're
Yeah.
used to it.
Been there, done that. But don't show juice on them. Don't do that.
Right, or disrespect them in large crowds.
And don't
right?
talk about their mother.
Mother.
Don't disrespect
Do
their
not.
mother.
Don't
tell them.
Don't tell them to go. Your mother. You
Yeah.
know, but that's your
Yes.
mother.
Even
Don't
about
do
their
that.
children.
Their sister, don't do that. Don't talk about the female in their family,
family.
especially if they love the female in their family.
Right.
Don't talk about them, because you're just sinking your own self.
Yes.
They will play it with you like, we're good, I love you, but sis,
The
don't
disrespect.
disrespect the people that they love.
Right.
Don't do
Okay?
it. Don't do it.
Don't do it.
And they will never put you above their mother.
Take several seats. You're not getting that.
They will never, and that is what I love about them. If they're supposed to, and they're not choosing.
Like
They're
I
rather
was
to
growing
save
up,
you. They're not
I
choosing.
always hear this. You want a man that love you
you.
more than how. No, sorry. Growing up, I always hear they say that you want a man that love the female in his family. My mom told me that when I was a child. She said, a good man treat his mother and his sister really good, and if he don't do that, he's not for you.
Right.
The way that he treat the female in his family is the way he's going to
Don't
treat you.
That's true.
Okay, so you hear him disrespecting mother, or you hear him disrespecting sister.
No
You
go, sis.
expect him to treat you better.
He's coming for you next.
No go, sis.
No.
That is
No.
a red flag.
Red flag
right?
from the beginning.
And do not try to tell him, oh, you gotta choose between me and your mother, or try to.
I
choose
would
between
never
me and
want a
your
man to
sister.
choose
Don't do that.
between me and his mother or his sister.
None of his family. nor
I
his
have such a
friends.
good relationship with my brothers that I wish for a man that have such good relationships with his sister and brother,
Right.
no, sister and mother, because to me, as I said, my mom told me that, but to me, if a man can sit and talk to his sister about anything, like the level of respect he will get from me, because
Right.
like, what kind of relationship
And remember,
is
when
that?
you're going to be with a man, you're going to be with his family
Family
as
as
well.
well.
So you have to
Right.
think about that. Do you want to go into a family like that? Do you want to do it?
Yeah.
Right.
Do you want to have children and grow the child in the same family like that? You have to think about those things.
Those things are
And
there.
one thing we give the Jamaican men, they love their family. Mother, never you tell a Jamaican man to their mother. No.
That's a war waiting to happen.
Oh my
As
God,
far
your
as I'm
feet
concerned.
them here, don't in your throat.
Trust me.
Not condoning
Alright.
violence against women, people. Just saying.
So guys, this really concludes some of the good attributes that we see in Jamaican men. And I mean, probably you don't agree with us, and that's okay. You can always talk to us in the comment section. We'll be there.
Yeah.
We'll be there,
Watching.
and we will comment too. So actually, is there anything that you would like to say?
Yeah, if you have a Jamaican man that you want to date, go ahead. Just like I said, look for the things that we spoke about in terms of romantic,
Family
family
oriented.
oriented, great hygiene, not good, great hygiene, and of course, their physical appearance is not that big of a deal. Some persons look for that,
Yeah, people have
but
different type.
everybody's type is different, of course. But just look for someone that will love you more than
You will love them.
yours. Yeah, basically.
Mhm.
That's it.
Always let them love you more.
Time.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you guys for staying with us. It was nice chatting with you guys today, and you'll see them back on my channel. Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.